What if the secret to a meaningful life is not becoming richer, more famous, or more productive, but learning how to live with purpose, connection, joy, and emotional peace, even during difficult seasons? What if a truly well-lived life is built through small daily choices most people overlook? In this video, I'm sharing important ideas and personal reflections from The Well-Lived Life by Gladys McGarey. The central message of the book is that a meaningful life is not created by perfection, control, or endless achievement. According to Gladys McGarey, true fulfillment often comes through purpose, connection, service, self-awareness, resilience, and learning how to remain emotionally alive throughout life. The book reminds readers, life will include pain, uncertainty, loss, and change. But emotional well-being often depends on how we respond to those experiences. The goal is not simply to survive life, but to live it fully and consciously. People often feel emotionally lost when they lose connection to purpose. Gladys McGarey explains, purpose is not only about careers or achievements. Purpose can also exist in relationships, helping others, creativity, learning, healing, growth, or contribution. The book encourages readers to stay connected to what gives life meaning internally. Another powerful lesson from the book: avoiding pain completely is impossible. The author explains, many people spend life trying to escape discomfort, grief, uncertainty, aging, or emotional vulnerability. But emotional healing often requires feeling emotions honestly instead of suppressing them constantly. The book teaches, pain itself is not always the enemy. Sometimes pain becomes wisdom, compassion, resilience, and emotional depth. Human connection strongly affects emotional and physical health. Gladys McGarey emphasizes, loneliness, emotional isolation, and disconnection often damage well-being deeply. The book encourages nurturing meaningful relationships intentionally. Relationships support healing and fulfillment. The book also challenges cultural beliefs about aging. Gladys McGarey explains, many people fear aging because society often associates worth with youth, appearance, or productivity. But the book teaches, wisdom, purpose, creativity, joy, and contribution can continue throughout life. Meaning does not expire with age. One deeper lesson from the book is many people rush through life without fully experiencing it. Constant distraction, stress, comparison, and busyness often disconnect people from joy, gratitude, peace, and emotional awareness. The book encourages slowing down and becoming more present in daily life. A meaningful life is not measured only by external success. Fulfillment often comes from kindness, contribution, compassion, connection, healing, and love. The well-lived life reminds us, life is not only about how long we live, but how deeply, intentionally, and meaningfully we choose to live it. If this message resonated with you, comment "Live Fully" below as a reminder to build a life filled with purpose, connection, emotional peace, and meaningful growth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone interested in healing, emotional wellness, personal growth, aging wisely, or living a more meaningful life today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.